They not bad, but they not what we needed. YouTube family, what is going on with y'all today, man? Welcome back to another vid. Today, man, your boy has a recently released shoe, depending on when y'all watching this video, man. But look, today's date is what, what's today's date? June 21st, man, and we did have an Air Jordan 9 release, which is the Air Jordan 9, what's the name of them shoes, man? Air Jordan 9 Particle Gray, man. So these did release today, man. They released on the sneakers app, sold out quick, and they actually sold pretty good in my area, man. I went to my city gate to see if they had any leftover pairs. They was all sold out, man. So I did end up going to Hibby's, and I was able to get my hands on a GS pair, man, which is the pair that I have right here, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over the whole shoe, give y'all a review on a GS pair, but you know, it's gonna be pretty similar to the men's pair. And give y'all my thoughts and opinions on that shoe, man. Before we dive into it, man, make sure that y'all are traveling in the best way possible, man. The only way, man. Sole Premise, grab you a bag today. They do have bags for your everyday and every occasion use. Trust me, I'm telling y'all, like, you know, hey, I gotta preach it to y'all every video because it's no cap, man. The best way to travel, especially for a sneakerhead, you can put your shoes in the bags. The Daily Commuter holds 2 pairs of shoes. They do have a Luciano leather bag, which is a little bit bigger. It's like an upgrade to that Daily Commuter, and that bag can hold 5 to 6 pairs of shoes, man. So not only the shoes you can hold in there, you can put your clothes in there, laptop. So it's very handy, man. Trust me, I didn't realize how handy of a bag it was until I grabbed one personally myself, man. So make sure you do not sleep on those Sole Premise bags, man. Luxury premium bags. Check the link down below in the description. It will say you big, man. Click that link. That's the only way you will say big, man. So make sure you do that, and trust me, you will not be disappointed, man. But other than that, man, topic at hand, these Air Jordan 9 Particle Grays, man. Let's check them out and see, you know, why I feel that they weren't needed. Bang! Here they go right here, man. Take a look at these joints. I mean, definitely not a bad shoe, bro. Definitely not a bad shoe. I'm not gonna sit here and say that, you know, we didn't need them in the sense of the shoe is trash. The reason why I'm saying that we didn't need these because Jordan brand, please help me out, man. And I speak for the masses, I would say, you know, hey, if y'all agree with me, give this video a like, man. If you think that the Jordan that we need is, bang, the Air Jordan 9 Olives, man, we need those back, man. I need a crispy, fresh pair, man. I will probably leave y'all out with a more in-depth on feet of the Air Jordan 9 Olive since I wasn't on YouTube when this shoe came out, and you know I don't have a men's pair of the Particle Gray 9, so let me just hit y'all with an on feet of some 9s, man. So we will get back to that at the end of the video. Stay tuned, watch to the end of the video, and I will throw the Olive 9s back on feet and do a little, you know, do a little something with them, man. But yes, man, we do need those Olive 9s back. If y'all can hear out for our cry, man, we don't need these. We do not need these hybrid colors, man, as you know, y'all always do give us these different colors, but this is not bad, man. It reminds me of, I don't know, it reminds me of a Jordan 9 that I have seen before. Which Jordan 9 was it? I don't know, but it reminds me of something that I've seen before, but it's definitely not bad, man. So taking a look at them right here, not bad shoe, not bad. Taking a look at the outsole, all over white outsole on the shoe, black Jumpman on the bottom. So it's a, you know, 90%, 95% white outsole, black Jumpman. Taking a look to the uppers of the shoe, as you can see right there, you do have that gray upper, which I thought would have been 3M. Knowing Jordan brand, they normally put 3M on something like this, but there is no 3M. It is just, you know, your new buck going all throughout this upper part right here. This part right here is that like sponge type material, but none of that is 3M, man. You do got a black Jumpman right there in the back, as you can see. White hits coming up from the bottom, but just taking a look at the shoe right there, man, it is definitely not a bad shoe. I can see why these shoes sold out, you know. I don't know, I'm not too big on the 9s, except for the ones that I threw on today to go pick these up. And speaking of threw on today, man, let's take a quick break for the fit check. Yes, sir, man. So today, man, stepping out to grab the Air Jordan 9 particle grades, I did throw on that Brewers fitted hat, that olive and splash of red on it, and I do have on a no excuses tee, cause your boy Jay ain't got no excuses, man. To the reason why I ain't been banging out videos, man, I can't say all day that I was busy, but no excuses, man. So no excuses shirt on. On the bottom, I do have on some olive green Nike like cargo shorts, man. You know, very breathable, nice for the summer. And on feet, Jordan 2-3 socks, olive 9 on the feet, man. So yes sir, man. That is a quick fit check. Hey, let's get back to the vid, man. So yes, as I was saying, man, you do get that gray bottom half on the shoe. When you move up to the upper, if you guys were familiar with the Air Jordan 9s, the chili red joints, it does have that same type of canvas upper. I don't know if it's picking up the greatest, but it does have a canvas upper, man. So they did, I feel like I like the canvas that they're doing on the uppers of this shoe, because normally you will get a nubuck. You'll get a nubuck upper on shoes like this, and you'll get like 3M down here. So I'm glad they switched it up, because it's dope, man. I like the canvas a lot better. It looks just, you know, it has like a nice premium look to it. It doesn't leave any room for the upper to be ashy, so it's 100% jet black upper that you have due to that canvas material, man. So a dope touch in my opinion, man. Taking a look at the front of the shoes, they do come with the black laces. Factory lace, that's the only laces that come with the shoe, but I do see where somebody could throw some white laces in here. Some white laces, rope laces will pop. Some gray laces definitely will pop, and some red laces would definitely pop, man. So I think those are the three, you know, common lace choices that you can do with this shoe if you do have a pair. But Air Jordan written in red on the top of the tongue right there, as you can see. Taking a look at the back of the shoe, man. Nice color contrast, all over gray. You do got your black 2-3 stitched, and you do got your globe, your Jumpman globe right there. Bright popping red. You do got your pull tab for whenever you putting on the shoes, you know, you can hold that and slide your foot into the shoe, man. So black pull tab on the back. That is pretty much it for the outside of the shoe, man. Like I said, bro, this is a clean Air Jordan 9 that's just not needed in my opinion. Will I be picking up a pair? I'm not sure, man. I've been having shoe sales and stuff, man, so I don't know. If I get them, I'll probably wear them one time. So this probably won't be a shoe that I will be picking up, man, but shoe tree is looking like that, as you can see. 7 through, what is that, 7.5, because this is a size 7Y, man. Speaking of size 7Y, if you guys want this in particular pair, man, hit me up over at JTSG Closet on Instagram. I will link that down below in the description underneath all my social media handles, man. Make sure y'all give me a follow. Hit me up if you want this 7Y, man, because at the time of this video, it is unclaimed for, but hey, it could be yours. Just hit me up. It's a private page. You do have to request to be in. If you are already in there, you got the heads up, man. So if you want them, go ahead, send your boy a DM and we'll work out the numbers, and you can get them. But that is the shoe tree. Inside of the shoe, it looks like it's a black insole in there with a red Jumpman that y'all can barely see. So it's a black insole, take my word for it. Black insole, red Jumpman. It does have a size sticker inside there as well. And this shoe was manufactured from, what's the date? July of last year through December, man. So 5-month production of this shoe, and I think that this shoe was a fairly limited shoe, man. Not too many places in my area got them, so that's why I did not come across a men's pair. But like I said, I got to stand on it that this is a clean pair of Air Jordan 9s, man. Taking a look at the box that it comes in, y'all, it does have this type of OG style box, textured, you know what I'm saying? Jumpman Jordan logo on the top. Taking a look at the size tag real quick, it reads Air Jordan 9 Retro GS. Color blocking is black, university red, size 7Y, as I did tell y'all. Going inside the box, you do get a lot number, and that's pretty much it. Standard, just like all your GS shoes, it will come with your Jumpman. I do not see any lot numbers or white and green sticker, not lot number, but white and green stickers in here, man. So that is it for the box contents. The reason why I'm discrediting it so much is because of those olive 9s that we need so bad, man. Speaking of olive 9s, I'm not just gonna show them to y'all on feet. Let me show y'all them like up close and personal. Bang! Man, hey, this is what we need, man. Like I said, man, if y'all agree with me that this is what we need, hit that like button, comment down below. Hey, we need olive nines, man. Quick story time, man. Shout out to the homie Just for Kicks, because this is where I got this pair from. He does have a shoe store, man, so make sure you follow his shoe page, man. It's like shop_just4kicks. Like steals and deals. He has a lot of dope things like clothes, hats, and stuff over there, man. So give him a follow, and you know you will get shoes such as this and other shoes, man. Good deals. So give him a follow over at shop_just4kicks. But yeah, shout out to him. He gave me these for a steal of a price. Like I did say, story time. I remember back when these released. When did they release? Like in 2010, I want to say, or 2011, 2010, 2011. When? Let me see. When were these manufactured? 2012, okay, dang, so it was probably about 2013. It was really about 2013 to the end of 2012. My dates was way off, but I do remember standing at my local Foot Action, man. I waited in line for like 3.5 hours only to not get this shoe, man. So I think it was like the guy, like 2 people in front of me was the last person to get this shoe, and I was sick, bro. I'm like, dang, I done waited all this time and wasn't even able to get my size in this shoe, man. But hey, this is a fairly clean pair, man, but I need a crisp. I need, like, when I say crisp, I need a crisp pair, man. And my fingers are crossed that when they do release these, please do not give us a reimagined Air Jordan 9, man. I feel it coming, man. I feel it coming. They're gonna give us a reimagined Air Jordan 9 olive and just jack the whole shoe up, man. But we need olive nines, man. But yes, man, like I said, man, back to these joints. The Air Jordan 9 particle gray, dope shoe. If I had to give the shoe a grade on a scale from 1 to 10, for Air Jordan 9, this is a smooth 8.5, man. Very clean, very versatile shoe. The black, the grays, you cannot go wrong with it. The materials they use, fire. I do not see any quality control issues as of such, and this is a GS pair, man. So definitely not a bad shoe, and definitely a great shoe for back to school, man, because like I said, it is very versatile. You can wear this with almost every fit that you have, man. So y'all let me know your thoughts and opinions on the Air Jordan 9 particle gray. Other than that, we're not gonna be throwing these on feet because I don't have these, but olive nines. Hey, we need that retro, man. Jay making movies. Y'all stay blessed. I'm gone, man. Peace.
Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo, drip to a T, open for business, got drip for a fee. JTSG, fly like a fleet, stay with the heat, no need to speak. No need to speak, rock on the beat like Muhammad Ali. J with the 3, he gon' ball like I read. Clear skies, everything is I read, so don't bother, everything is on me. Yeah. Jay Tarantino, the family hero. Let's keep it a C-note. Matter of fact, keep it a kilo. Ooh, woke up this morning, there's so many shoes. Talking so many, don't know which to choose. So many colorways, so many hues. Robbie.